What are the best hashtags to use on Instagram to get more followers? In today's session, I'm super excited to share with you the best hashtags so that you can get more followers on Instagram. This is something I put a lot of time in, a lot of effort. I think a lot of people don't even know what or how to actually use a hashtag today to actually make it work. There needs to be a structure to the process. In today's session, I'm gonna give it to you. Without further ado, as always, thank you for watching these videos. My name is Ed JC Smith, founder of the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so you can live life on your terms. Lean down on that subscribe button, pumping out videos almost every single day to help you further forward, to get that knowledge so that you can do the things that you want to do, live that freedom lifestyle. Without further ado, let's pump into my computer and I'll show you step by step which is going to be the best way for you. Welcome guys to today's session, the best hashtag to use on Instagram to get more followers. Excited for this because let me tell you how many people ask me, Ed, what the freaking hell is a hashtag? First of all, when people are searching content, a hashtag allows certain content pieces to be collected together under the same group. All right, and so that is why I remember when I first started getting into hashtag, I'm like hashtagging health, wealth, this, and you just like hashtagging all over the place. All right, how many people you know just have no idea what they're doing? All right, that's why you got to subscribe, stay logged into this because I'm giving you it real and raw. Whereas people would be like trying to grab cash out of you. I'm building that relationship, y'all. So you join the Champion Academy and we become friends, you and I. So how does it work? People look for a service or a product and they're searching for a content that solves your problem, that solves their problem. Let me show you exactly what I mean by that. Here's a problem and a solution that I had. First of all, the problem is I need to film a new ad in Bali whilst running my retreat. That's what I got to do. Here's my two solutions. Fly a team from London, okay, or get a team in Bali. Now I've done the team in Bali before. The hotel did it and it wasn't very good. So, you know, this year I'm like, oh, okay, maybe I take my team with me, or maybe I get someone externally out there. So fly a team from London cost me $5,000 for just travel and hotel. Get a team from there. As I said, another problem. Do they know what they're doing? Is it going to be any good, etc.? And I need it to look good. Today is about aesthetics, and I do it only annually once a year. And I had 1 year where it was just awful. It's like, and I was left with all of this like video to edit myself. I didn't have time, and like it was no good, right? So here's the deal. Here's how I did it. All right, so I typed in Bali videographer, Bali photographer, Bali content creator, Bali social media marketer. Now you can do this for your service. You have to appear in these terms. If you want someone to find you on Instagram, then you have to think about what is my client typing to find the thing that I am doing. So here's what I found. Number one, this dude comes up, okay? And he came up because of the fact that he's a content creator. He came under one of the hashtags I found. Right, obviously I got a lot more, but this was like one that stood out, okay? And then I hit this dude. This was in a different language, but either way, I'm starting to get a feel for what sort of work he does. All right, again came under because look, do you remember in other previous videos where I have my name at the top? He has Video Bali Production. He came up because of that, and so straight away it's very clear. What does he do? He's a director, videographer, and even though I can't read anything else, I know exactly what that is. How cool is that, right? I mean, even though I think it's Russian, it doesn't matter. I know straight away what he does. So there's value in it for me. All right, and so bang, this one comes up. Okay, why did I pick this one? Number one, she came under photographer, but also come on, that's an eye-catching picture. Put it in the selection. I look over, film strip looking good, pictures looking good. Here's the fourth one I chose. Now here's the deal. Who did I pick? Who did I pick to start actually building? Now you're thinking, Ed, number 3, the girl. Of course you did. Nah, which one did I pick? You ready? Which one? Number 1 was a dude based in Bali. Number 2, foreign language I couldn't understand. Number 3, eye-catching picture, grabbed my attention, girl from Aussie. All right, and number 4 was dude, Australian also, photographer. All similar sorts of like following, all similar sorts of pictures. Who do I take? Who do you reckon? Did I go TNA? Woo! Number 1. All right, let me tell you number 1. Because it was so simple, right? And you could straight away see what it was. And I went into his content. So straight away I knew that he could do the thing that I wanted to do. A video ad, I wanted to do like a drone, etc. The saving you get from hiring someone in Bali means that I don't have to pay $5,000 for having a team of people to come out. So leverage the right hashtags for you. Use all 30. Use up to 30 hashtags for each post. Make sure you use them. That's all you can do. Here's the deal. People say, can I schedule it? Guys, you're going to have to manually put it in first. That's what you're going to have to do. I'm sorry to burst your bubble. You're like looking at some scheduler. You're trying to automate the whole thing. You can't automate it. All right. Shall I tell you why? I've tried automating it. I've tried having other people do it. It has to have your voice. You have to treat it like a business. All right. You have to put segment of time in it every single day to build it initially and then train someone else to do it for you. I've tried autoresponders and this. Everyone knows that you're using it. It's just you can't can't avoid it at first. You could do maybe a year or two ago because people are less open. Everyone knows when you're using it, when it's not you. I had people at the beginning, I've tried different companies. Look, you can go and test it. Upwork, www.upwork, that's where I do all my outsourcing. Get someone and they will outsource the pictures, and it will not be your real voice. It will not be who you are, and people will know that. I remember I had someone do that, and they posted this thing about just the sort of stuff that I would never post, and a lot of people were offended, and I lost a lot of credibility just because it was like totally something I wouldn't post. All right, see what reach and how many posts you get underneath each hashtag. Every time you collect it, do it manually at first, then you can save it, and then do it again. Then save your hashtags, use variations on every single post, so you keep varying it. Understand your metrics, because you want low reach, high visibility. When you type in a hashtag, it tells you how many content pieces are attached to that. So if you type in like wealth, there's like 10 million. That's high reach and low visibility. I'll show you the difference. Medium reach is moderate visibility, over 100,000, under 500. So this is massive reach, and you're going to get massive reach as in it's everywhere, but you're going to get low visibility because it's over 500,000. Like, so health, which is 10 million, is over 500,000, right? It's massive reach as is everywhere, but you're going to get low visibility. You've got to build up your account first. Here's how you split your 30. You do 20 low reach. So low reach, high visibility. What do I mean specifically? If you go to someone, I'll show you specifically. If you're doing quotes, for example, you do quotes, daily inspiration for guys or girls, that's going to have real low reach. It's very specific, right? It's very specific to the person you're looking for. Then you do 5 medium, which is just above 100,000, like as in, you know, quotes, inspiration, lady boss. That'll probably about have 100,000. And then you do 5 to 3 massive reach. So it's like just generalized, like quote. If you put like quote, daily quote, those are massive. And then 2 personal brand, as in I do hashtag #EdJC Smith or hashtag life lessons or something like that, so that you can group hashtag Champion Academy and you group all your content together. That's how you do it. All right, comment below, let me know what sort of hashtags you're using, and I'll give you some feedback on it. If you have a specific niche and you want some help with, write some comments below and let me know, and I can tell you what's a good one, what isn't a good one, and I can show you a bit more specifically if you need help in that. Okay, and that's how we roll. As always, never give up on those dreams. As part of the Champion Academy, and that's why you're subscribing. Like, stand out, think about what's your mission, commit, make those decisions, dive on, get this. Treat your Instagram like a business, all right? Never say you can't do something. You can always, don't say I don't have enough time. You always have enough time if it's important, all right? Definition of a champion: a person who surpasses all rivals, that stands up above the rest, is willing to put in more. And the highest form of a human spirit is the ability to commit and help someone else. That's what we believe, helping someone else. So how can you go out and help someone? Maybe teach this stuff to someone else, and you'll get clearer on the information yourself. This is our school in Bali. Love you to come. Here's my new upcoming book, The 10 Behavioral Traits of What It Takes to Be a Champion. Today, as always, when it's hard, when it's going wrong, when it's stacked against you, when you're losing hope, when your light is dwindling, that is when, my friend, you must commit more. Comment below, commit more. Let me know your actions that you're going to take, all right? Because no matter what happens, you must never give up on those dreams. Because who am I? I am a champion. That's how I roll every single day, okay? You can do it too. Go out tomorrow morning. Just give yourself some matter. Who am I? I'm a champion. Who am I? I'm a champion. Notice, all right, how good you feel if you actually do that. And it's scientifically proven, all right? What you say creates a new thought in your brain. As you create a new thought, you create a new feeling, right? Your feelings dictate your actions and behavior. Don't believe me? My first A-level psychological test on this was to run 2 people next to each other saying I can versus I can't. Every time they swapped, they went a little bit further. As in, it's not rocket science. If you say on a treadmill I can versus I can't, I'm not saying you're going to run the marathon because you just said I can without the training. I'm saying you feel stronger and you'll go a little bit further versus I can't. Your brain is going to find ways to give up, okay? That is how we roll. As you commit more, your awareness increases, your new distinctions occur with every single level as you put in more. Here's the next one. I'm going to teach you on the next video how to get your first 10,000 followers, all right? 10,000 followers so you can make a massive impact. As always, thank you for subscribing. Comment below and let me know how you're enjoying these videos and what specific information tips you need help with. I'm here for you. I'm devoted my time. We're a young channel. I'm looking forward to exploding with this with you together. Let me know how you're getting on. As always, thank you for watching this video. My name is EdJC Smith, founder of the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so you can live life on your terms. Subscribe, comment below. I appreciate you. Let me know how you're getting on. Let me know what's a challenge, and I will do a video personally for you. Okay, here's the deal. We're a young channel, so I'm going to see those comments. I want to interact with you. I want to understand what you're going through, and I want to help you get you where you want to be. All right, as always, no matter what happens, never give up on your dreams, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.